switch for the chip
Sige.
in the shoe was on.
Sige.
Ah,
Kinsa.
Lisa felt that her
Ako
parents
pa.
must be very disappointed in her. But
na.
Who am I kidding? There's
Bantayan,
no way.
bantayan yung mob sa kalaban.
Ay, ako kay wa pa ko nakamove.
Ah, wala pa? Ikaw?
Kane?
Pwede.
Did you get yours?
Upat akong tip niya.
Tora. Oh, pwede, anak. Hmm.
I got my name.
Pwede, Trey? Ay, street. Di,
Oh,
kaon eh.
straight.
Something.
Kaon eh?
Dili, katong kuan. Pwede ka,
Yes, I finally got it.
pwede mo ni kaunan, pero makaon, pwede mga officer. Atras.
Way better than I'm a hog
Dine?
from the debate.
Kay makaan.
What? Why are you so quiet? Say your name very slow.
Ikaw?
No,
Mm.
you don't think it sounds like that.
Ah, si Charcoal.
I do.
Narito.
All right, class. Everyone should have been given their new name
Dara.
by now. So let's go around and have everyone introduce
Aman.
themselves. Pink shirt.
Ako ang rock.
Di, dipinsahe, oh, tanawa, gitarget imong kuan.
What's your name?
Gitarget imong phone, kaunon.
my top choice for my fur baby
Para masuportahan mo ni, iatras nimo. Pwede iatras ka, atras. Dili, atras ka, kaning bishop.
Kani, baylo sila.
Dili. Anara. Tanaw nimo kayo, atakihon man ka, atakihon ka sa kalaban.
I saw it sticking out of your pocket that you could have for a date. I assumed you weren't just happy.
Ikaw?
Oh, ko pa.
Uy, ako kay wala ko po.
Gatras naman ka, ikaw.
Kani, King?
Pag-usay mo mga officer.
Kani?
Dili, di mo siya pwede. Open ka dili, open.
Dine?
Oh, na. Unya na. Next ni mga mob. Dapat planado yung mga kuan.
Ay, street.
I kind of like things I'm in nowadays.
Ikaw.
Ikaw pa.
From now on, I want to be in charge.
Matulo ko
Oh,
na
dara.
taon.
I know who you are. You're one of the controllers of Simon Says.
Matras ko?
Daw, taro. Straight out, kaon.
You really
Kani?
Bishop, kaya yung dagan sa bishop kay straight man sa green. Nya kani po, straight yung dagan na ni white, dapat siya. Tara, kaon na. Kaya ulay support.
Kani?
Dili, katong kuan, ikaw, katong bishop. Kaya,
Maupat akong nakaon. Ako?
yeah.
Dine? Wala, hapit na gini mo kaon.
Wala lang tani mo ginapauban lagi siyang hilong nga believer na si
Matulo.
Jeric kay dili na siya gawa tabang upasan.
Maupat
Si Angela, ito gapan.